Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for iOS and Android, so this fully works, guys. You get a joystick, you get a bar on the right side of the screen that shows you all the nearby Pokemon, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, guys, it fully works, so this is super cool. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. We got the bar, we got the joystick. I mean, this is super awesome. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So as you can see, we got the joystick. I'm just going to go ahead and turn that on. And yeah, as you can see, it fully works, guys. We've also got, of course, the speed hack. And as you can see, I can actually walk around the Pokemon world from my house. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. We can press on a Pokemon. It will actually bring us towards it, which is super cool. So this is a pretty involved spoofer, guys. I think you're really going to enjoy it. So to download it, we need to go to the website pokespoofing.com. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So this is the website, guys, where we're actually going to be able to get the spoofer. So once you're on the site, guys, what you want to do is press the button that says start injecting, and it's going to start to download. It's going to ask you whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. So just go ahead and press the device that corresponds and press inject. And before it downloads, guys, there is going to be a verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you just want to go ahead and press verify now, and it's going to bring us to the list of apps. And all we have to do, guys, is download like 2 of these apps, and we're going to be all set. So as you can see, we got a bunch of them. You just want to make sure you download 2 of them and complete the instructions. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do Travel Town. It's going to take me to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app, because you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let's go back, and for the second app, I'm going to do Family Island. So it's going to take me to the App Store again, and we're just going to download it. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these. So let's just go to the home screen and wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the Travel Town's done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, just touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. It's pretty simple, guys. I understand you might not use these games regularly, but trust me, they are very easy to do. So let me just go ahead and do that right here as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So let me just go ahead and do this as you can see. Okay, pretty easy, guys. Nothing too insane. So I'm just going to run it right here as you guys can see. Alright, just playing around with it. So yeah, this is super cool. Let's just go ahead and do it right here as you can see. Alright, just playing around with it, guys. So you know what? I think I've spent enough time on this app. So I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other app, which is the Family Island. It's the same thing, guys. You just want to run it and do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it as you can see. It's really easy, guys. Just make sure you follow the instructions and you should be all set. So let me just go ahead and do this right here as you can see. Alright, just playing around with it. So it's pretty easy. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here as you can see. Alright, pretty simple stuff. Okay, let's just go ahead and do this. You can see. Alright, just playing around with it. Not too hard at all, guys. So you know what? I think we're probably done with this one now. So anyway, once you're done, guys, Pokemon Go Spoofer should download onto your device. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. It's super crazy. You get the joystick, you get the bar on the right side of the screen, you get all those incredible options. So if you guys are tired of the boring old Pokemon Go experience, then be sure to get the word out. As you can see, we got all the settings in here. Super cool. Got the joystick, got the bar on the right side. I mean, this is so crazy. There's also enhanced throw. This gives you a 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right, which is pretty cool. So there's lots to do in the spoofer. It's going to make you get way more Pokemon, guys. So as you can see, here's the enhanced throw. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.